Hello, Pre-Algebra, and welcome to Quarter 3, Week 7. This week, we do not have school on Monday for President's Day. On Tuesday will be day 2 for work on rotations, and then Wednesday and Thursday will be dilations, which is the last lesson in this chapter. Friday, there are some materials to help you prepare for the chapter test. So first, there's a review posted, which you should be working on all week long. Then there's a space for you to put in answers to check your responses. And then there are additional videos for you to watch to help you prepare and understand with a review of the chapter. Remember to study every day this week and over the weekend too to be prepared for the test. The test will be next Monday, the 22nd. Have a great week.